Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Well, get ready, because today we're unleashing the secret sauce to supercharging your business's financial potential, building business credit. If you've ever wondered how some businesses effortlessly secure loans or access better deals and weather financial storms, the answer often lies in the world of business credit. And in this video, we're about to spill the beans on how you can do it too. So if you're ready to empower your business, hit that subscribe button and get ready to transform your business's future, because what we're about to reveal might just be the key to securing any type of funding that your business needs. Now, for those new to the concept, let's back up and cover what exactly business credit is. Now, a business credit score and the building of business-related credit is a reflection of the financial strength of your company. So just like with personal credit, a higher score equals better loan terms, lower interest rates, and easier access to capital. Now, there are 3 separate business credit reporting bureaus: Dunn Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Now, keep in mind that the type of funding that we're talking about here is a similar but separate structure from personal credit cards you've got in your wallet right now. But let's discuss the elephant in the room. You don't just start with a good business credit score, you have to build it. Well, Zach, how the heck do I do that? Well, we're going to cover that in 2 sections. First is going to be how to get your business a credit score, and the second will be how to build your credit score up. So let's start with, how do you get your business credit score set up? So step 1, you're going to want to register your business and get an EIN. Now, this process will vary depending on the business structure you want and the state in which you live. If you're looking at a sole proprietorship, some states don't require you to register, and instead you just operate under your own name. If you want to start an LLC, you'll most likely need to register your business with the state that you're living in. Now, you can apply for an EIN number with the IRS right on their website. Once you've got your EIN number, you now have a target for your eventual business accounts to report to, and you're able to start building a score officially. Now, there are many ways to do this, and there's no particular order that you have to follow for the greatest success. These are just some methods that you can use to build up a business credit score. So first, make sure you borrow funds from lenders who report to the business credit bureaus. This is very important because let's say you get a business loan from a private lender and it doesn't report to the business bureaus. Well, then you don't get that history on your credit profile. Your score is going to stay at 0. So what lenders typically report to business bureaus? Banks, major banks. Now, this doesn't mean go apply for anything under the sun from your local major bank and see what happens. Certain loans and other credit accounts can be hard to qualify for unless you have excellent credit and a few years of business under your belt. However, online business loans tend to be more accessible for new businesses and those with poor or starting out credit scores. Many online small business lenders report to the credit bureaus, including On Deck, Lending Club, and Bluevine. Now, keep in mind, merchant cash advance companies typically do not report to credit bureaus. Regardless, if you're looking for a loan to start, ask any potential lenders whether they report data to the business credit bureaus. Weigh their response against other factors of their offer, like interest rates, etc., to find the right fit for you. Now, another option you have to bulk up a business credit score is to build corporate credit trade lines with Dunn Bradstreet. Now, how do you go about doing that? Well, first you want to get a DUNS number for that EIN that you've already set up for your business. To get a business credit score from Dunn Bradstreet, which, remember, one of the 3 major business credit bureaus, you first need a DUNS number. You can request this directly on their website, and lenders and other businesses will often use this 9-digit number to look up your company's credit profile and financial health before agreeing to do business with you. It's also required to apply for federal grants. Now, you don't have to apply for a DUNS-like number for Experian and Equifax. You just have to worry about Dunn Bradstreet. And once you start borrowing from lenders that report to Experian and Equifax, those bureaus will link that data to your company profile. They also pull in information from public records like court filings. And so once you've got the DUNS number set up, you can go and establish corporate credit trade lines. As you may imagine, there are different tiers of corporate credit out there. And just like with personal credit accounts, you build these kind of relationships over time. You start small with places like Gempler's and Uline Shipping, and eventually work up to major accounts with Amazon, Home Depot, etc. Now, this type of accounts payable relationship can boost your business credit score, provided that your supplier reports payments to a business credit bureau, like we said before. You can set up trade lines with any small vendor, such as your water or office supplies distributor. If those vendors don't report to a credit bureau, you can list them as a trade reference on your account, and Dunn & Bradstreet will follow up to collect your trade data. So now that we have the baseline covered, once you have your business set up, you've got an EIN number and potentially even a DUNS number, let's talk about what to do to get the most out of your new business credit score. So right out of the gate, you're going to want to avoid any judgments or liens hitting your business. Judgments, liens, bankruptcy filings in your business's name negatively impact your business credit score. Unpaid taxes or business debt can result in a lien, granting creditors a legal right to seize your property to satisfy the debt. Unpaid debt may eventually result in a court ruling or judgment against your business to collect that same debt. These negative marks on your business credit report can ruin your credit standing. Bankruptcies stay on your Experian credit score for 10 years. Tax liens, judgments, and collections can remain for almost 7 years. So now that we've taken the proactive approach and discussed what not to do about building up business credit, let's talk about how to actually start building a business credit card. So a business credit card can be one of the best tools for building business credit. Business credit issuers use your personal credit history as a part to determine approval, so you can get a card without a completely established business credit profile. These types of accounts typically don't report to your personal credit. They're great for startups and seasoned businesses, so opening a business credit card early can help you start building credit sooner. You'll have a longer credit history and potentially a stronger score in the future. To learn more about how you can get access to business credit and get high approvals even without an established business credit score yet, check out the video linked below after this one. Now, after you've established a few business cards, you'll want to get into the habit of always paying creditors on time or early if possible. Like your personal credit, payment history is the most important factor in determining your business credit score. Now, while on-time payments are good, early payment is even better. Dunn Bradstreet assigns better paydex scores, which measure a business's payment history, to companies that pay early. You're also going to want to keep your information current. As with personal credit, it's smart to keep tabs on your business credit report to ensure all of your information is accurate. Check your reports and score with all 3 bureaus to get a full picture of your business credit at any time. Ensure that all trade lines are accounted for and report any errors. And that, my friends, is the blueprint to building business credit. While it might take a while to build a strong business credit profile, every step that you take is going to bring you closer to your goals and help you gain access to the funds your business needs and the best terms in the future. I hope this video has armed you with the knowledge and confidence to take your business to new financial heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our mission to empower entrepreneurs just like you. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And be sure to check out the video I mentioned earlier that is also linked down below. That video is going to lay out how you can quickly access up to $250,000 in 0% interest business credit. So you'll definitely want to head over there. As always, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm Zach Ritchie, and I'll see you back here next week for another brand new video that's going to help you grow your business. I'll see you then.